Well, good morning. It is Friday morning. I'm starting another vlog. My last vlog was kind of short because I wasn't feeling very good, but today I'm getting ready for cookie baking weekend. So we have a lot happening this weekend. Today I'm dialyzing, and then after dialysis, I'm gonna blow out my hair, and then I need to get all of the orders packed from closing the shop and mailed today. I do a little editing. I have a little project to work on, but the other thing we're doing today is starting cookies. So Sunny is gonna make a Linzer cookie, I think, and I'm gonna start a sugar cookie, a snickerdoodle, I don't remember. And then tomorrow, we are gonna do dialysis on Sunday morning. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the mall in the morning, all four of us. We're gonna have lunch at the Cheesecake Factory and then do our Christmas shopping. It's kind of a tradition. And then when we get home, Sunny and I are gonna make more cookies. And then Sunday, I'm gonna dialyze. Then I have the last Sunday streams of Vlogmas. And then we're gonna finish our cookie baking, ice the sugar cookies, etc. Because then and then pack everything up, because Monday I wanna mail everything. All right, my gas is done being pumped. I'm going to go finish that up and then go home and start dialysis. I'll see you after. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Well, what time is it? 1:47. RJ just got home. I had him walk because I'm feeling pretty drained from dialysis today. I am in the process of packing all of the last orders. I stopped midway through to have some lunch, but now I am going to finish packing them, go take them to the store, come home, maybe blow up my hair, and then get a couple videos edited. The vlog for tomorrow, and get another one off my list of like the other videos. Maybe start getting ready to make cookies. I still have that project to do too. I should do that, but I'm so drained right now. It's less mindless. My chin is so red. Why is my chinny chin so red? I don't know. I'm in the car. I just spent some time cleaning the back seat out because tomorrow morning we're going to the mall. And it's always funny when I forget to take like the dog seat and everything out, and the kids are like, what the fuck? Anyway, going to the post office to drop this off. I'm going to swing by the store. I got to pick something up for Jesse, and then I'm going to get a smoothie while I'm out just to see if that perks me up a little bit, because I still want to make cookies and I still need to edit tomorrow's vlog. It's so tired, you guys. The holidays last year were rough, but I had lower expectations on myself because of, you know, being in kidney failure before dialysis. But now I'm like, fuck, now on dialysis, I need to be kind to myself too, and I'm not very good at that. Hair is blown out. I went to Target to get some bigger boxes than the ones I have for, you know, my business. I am like all over the place. I went to Target, picked up the things I need to pick up, got a smoothie, and dropped off all of the orders, except for one, which is, I'm holding it for another week because the person who wants it is out of town and asked me to, they wanted to order it before the shop closed, but they wanted to make sure it didn't sit. So I got to just make sure to put like a post-it note or something on there to remind myself when to postage it and send it out, because it's already packaged. I really need to edit that vlog and then get started on some cookies. I'm gonna make creamy beef and shells for dinner tonight, which is, I think it'll be creamy beef and macaroni, because I think that's what I have. Because it's easy in the Instant Pot. Tonight, I believe we're starting one of Sunny's cookies, one of the Linzer cookies. They're doing like a Linzer raspberry or something, and then like a thumbprint cookie for their choices. My choices are my usuals. Sugar cookie, like decorated sugar cookies, snickerdoodles, the best cookies ever, chocolate chip cookies, and peanut butter kisses. Sometimes I do brownies. This year I don't feel like doing brownies. They tend to get really stale when I mail them. And then I'm gonna make some Rice Krispies treats with like the green and red Rice Krispies as well. Anyway, so we're gonna start tonight. I think Sunny's gonna do I think they're gonna do their Linzer cookies tonight, and I am going to do snickerdoodles. Those take the longest, besides the sugar cookies, because those are like multi-phase. But the snickerdoodles take the longest because you gotta roll them into balls and then roll them in the cinnamon sugar. Whereas the peanut butter ones, I want to make the last night we do cookies because they go stale fastest. Chocolate chip cookies could come at any time. Sunny and I both can bang those out super fast. Anyway, I'm gonna work on my vlog now. And I'm really interested in what it's gonna look like. This is the vlog you guys already saw before this one because I very, very rarely recorded. I was feeling so crummy. I'm still feeling crummy, but at least I'm starting to pick it back up again, which is good because we got a lot going on the next couple days. I am in the middle of editing my vlog. First and foremost, discovering I have a lot more footage of Wednesday than I thought I did because that was behind the scenes for my Bob Ross, so check that out. But also, one thing I talk about with Jesse all the time, and my kids actually, and it just is occurring to me as I've been editing Vlogmas, I baby talk the shit out of my pets. I never even baby talked my kids. I always felt that like kind of ridiculous baby talking them, like I should talk to them like grown-ups because I wanted them to learn to talk to me like grown-ups. That was kind of my vibe when I was parenting them when they were babies. Not that it really fucking matters one way or the other, but God, I treat my pets, I baby talk the shit out of them, and it is ridiculous. Good morning, it's Saturday. We're getting ready to go to the mall. Are you dressed yet, sir?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay, we're getting ready to go to the mall. Jesse and I are about to take Layla for a walk. Got a late start this morning, but that's okay. We just got home. It's a little after 4. RJ's just started his D&D session, and I need to figure out my hair. I need to figure out my hair. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. When we're gonna make cookies tonight. I want to make sugar cookies tonight because I want to frost them tomorrow. So yeah, and I need to make a grocery list. Although I don't think I'm gonna have time to shop tomorrow because I have 2 streams plus dialysis plus cookies. So it may be Monday shopping. And I've been listening to the West End Hadestown. They just started rehearsals, but they did like one of those previews where they got up and just sang. And Matt Cawthon, the new Matt Donald-Finn from the show, the guy who replaced Barney Harris, is playing Orpheus, and he sounds really good. And Jordan Fisher's playing Orpheus on Broadway right now, and he's also awesome. And then the lady who's playing Hermes in the new show in the West End has a Caribbean accent, and it just fucking sounds rad. I love Hadestown, if you can't tell. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's about 9 o'clock. I've already gooped to waiting to start dialysis and just doing a little bit of work. I thought I was going to vlog more yesterday, but in the mall, I felt really self-conscious. And then when I got home, instead of making cookies, we were all kind of wiped out. So I just worked on catching up on video editing for like hours. I'm still not caught up, but I'm more caught up than I was. Today is going to be busy. I am about to go on dialysis, like I said, and then get off of that and hopefully get one more video edited. Then I have 2 live streams. Then Sunny and I are doing all the rest of the cookie baking and getting the little bags put together. And then I have to wrap my family's presents so that I can get everything packed up and take to the post office tomorrow. So I'm not going to go with Jesse to his jam night, which is fine. It's the last jam night of the year. They're doing like a giveaway and stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun for him. And I think a friend of ours is going to meet him there. So that should be fun. But I'm going to be at home entering Oh my god, I can't stop yawning. Entering is the gauntlet of the week before Thanksgiving. Like a week from today is Christmas Eve. This is the gauntlet. If you at all, I mean, at least my kids aren't little guys anymore. But holy shit, this is like the week of the year where I'm like, is there a reason I'm doing all of this? Really? Anyway, talk to you in bed. He's on my sweater, and I want it, sir. Kitty, hi, baby man. Dialysis is over. I watched Barbie for the first time. Cried multiple times. Jesse was like, ooh, it's accurate. And I'm like, yeah. I just washed my sheets. It's like what time? 1:10? 1:15. My first stream of 2 is in an hour and 15 minutes, and I need to eat something and start my sheets and get some butter out on the counter to start softening. I'm gonna do that. He's been my little shadow today. I just finished my 2 live streams, and he had followed me down. And now he's here. Are you my shadow today, sir? Are you? He's so warm, and I am chilly. My sweater's upstairs. I need to go grab it. How you doing, baby man? How you doing, baby? All right, we should go start working on cookies, huh, buddy? Maybe not you. You'll get fur in them. Alright, it's 9:45 and I'm going to bed. I think the definition of this weekend was, like, the theme was done is better than perfect, I think. I didn't make as many cookies as we wanted to. Tonight I made peanut butter blossoms, or peanut butter kisses, snickerdoodles, and Rice Krispies treats. And then tomorrow morning Sunny is going to make another batch of the thumbprints because they got eaten already, and maybe a batch of chocolate chip. But in the very least I have plenty of cookies to send off to my family. Not as many as I wanted, and I didn't get my presents wrapped yet, but I should be able to do that. I can actually mail out on Tuesday since I was planning to send via priority mail anyway. So yeah, I don't really feel bad. I was worried I'd feel bad if I didn't get everything done that I wanted to. But I don't. It's progress, right? Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here and I will pick it back up tomorrow for the next one. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Let me know how you're doing as we progress through the month of December with all of its ups and downs. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.